half roll back position is really good for any type of low back pain. You can often put a pillow or a ball right behind the low back to make it feel even better. What you want to do is sit up nice and tall. Feet are hip distance apart. Arms are straight. Spine is nice and long. Inhale through the nose. And then exhale, you're going to curl back, roll off the sit bones. As though you're carving out a C, okay? And then sit up nice and tall. Inhale. Start the breath. Hug it in, curl halfway back. So my arms want to stay parallel with the floor, okay? Because if I hinge back and I don't curl, then my arms go straight and diagonal line up to the ceiling, and that's really hard on the spine. You want to feel like you're giving yourself a big hug. We'll try 3 more. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, hug it in, curl back. And you can see me maybe facing this way. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, curl back. Inhale, exhale. Now, we can do obliques roll back, which is an add-on. I love this one. You roll back and you keep this left arm steady. You take the right arm and you reach it all the way back out. You follow the gaze, sweep it back up and sit up tall. So it's exhale, we can alternate arms. Exhale, and reach back. And sideways, it would look like this. We'll do 4 more. Hug it in. Right arm extends, sit up straight. Exhale, curl back. Left arm extends at shoulder height. Just do the best you can. 2 more. Hug it in, reach back. Sit up straight. It's like where we've been and where we're going. It should feel really good on the spine. At the end, you can straighten your legs and take a forward fold just to release the spine.